Why God surrounds his people with precious stones. The Eden pattern revealed through Isaiah 5:7 and Revelation. Peace to the remnant. Today I'm teaching on a pattern that runs from Genesis to Revelation. But most people never see it because they were trained to read the Bible as fragments instead of a system. The teaching is titled, Why God Surrounds His People with Precious Stones. The Eden pattern revealed through Isaiah 5:7 and Revelation. Let's go straight to the foundation. In the beginning, in Eden, God surrounded his presence with precious stones. That wasn't decoration, that was identity. Stones in scripture mark covenant, authority, boundary, and divine presence. Wherever God's true people are, stones appear. That's the Eden pattern. Now let's go to Isaiah 5:7, because this is where God defines Israel in his own words. Not religion, not tradition, not commentary. God himself says, For the vineyard of the Lord of hosts is the house of Israel, and the men of Judah his pleasant plant. Right there, God tells you exactly who Israel is. Israel is his vineyard. Judah is his pleasant plant. They are the people he planted in the earth to produce his character, judgment, and righteousness. That means Israel is not random. Israel is not symbolic. Israel is not a voluntary group of believers. Israel is the planted people of God, the garden people, the vineyard people, the earth-grown covenant nation. Now hold that, because Revelation picks that identity back up. In Revelation 21, when God restores all things, what does he do? He surrounds his people with precious stones again. Jasper, sapphire, chalcedony, emerald, sardonyx, sardis, chrysolite, beryl, topaz, chrysoprasus, jacinth, amethyst. 12 stones, 12 foundations, 12 gates, and on those gates are the names of the 12 tribes of Israel. So what is Revelation showing you? It's showing you the restoration of the same people God planted in Isaiah 5. The vineyard becomes the city. The planted people become the stone surrounded people. The garden becomes the New Jerusalem. The Eden pattern returns. Isaiah tells you who Israel is. Revelation shows you what Israel becomes. This is why the New Jerusalem is not a random city. It is not a metaphor for heaven. It is not a symbol for the church. It is the restored identity of the people of God planet. The same people he called his vineyard. The same people he surrounded with stones in Eden. The same people he surrounds with stones again in the end. So what does Isaiah 5:7 and Revelation together say about the children of Israel? They say this: Israel is the people God planted in the earth, and in the end he restores them to their original identity by surrounding them again with the stones of Eden. They are the garden people, the covenant people, the priestly people, the stone-marked people, the people who carry his presence. This is why the stones matter. This is why the pattern repeats. This is why the prophets in Revelation speak with one voice. God is not changing his people. He is restoring his people. The vineyard becomes the city. The planting becomes the foundation. The garden becomes the dwelling place of God. And the stones return to mark the identity of the people he chose from the beginning. That is the Eden pattern revealed. That is the testimony of Isaiah and Revelation. And that is the identity of the children of Israel. Peace to the remnant.